Alright guys, buckle up, because this clip wastes no time dropping us right into the action. The trooper spots a bike slicing through traffic like he owns the road, and instantly, you can feel the tension rise. Lane splitting may be legal somewhere else, but here it's a straight ticket to trouble. The rider isn't just bending the rules, he's snapping them clean in half. The trooper clocks it, processes it, and you can almost see the switch flip from patrol mode to pursuit mode. It's that moment when everything gets very real, very fast.
I'm Sergeant Brown, UCPD. The reason I stopped because you're not wearing your seatbelt. You have your license registration on you, ma'am.
I'm sorry, is that, I'm sorry. I just took my seatbelt off.
You didn't have her on.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. You're gonna have to, I just took it off. I wear my seatbelt. Actually, I yell at everybody for not wearing their seatbelt.
Outstanding. Do you have your license on you, ma'am?
I'm not gonna do this morning.
Dude, we're not from here.
I know you guys are from Michigan. I saw the tag. Do you have your passport on you or some sort of ID?
I left it at the fucking house. It's not even on me.
Okay, no worries.
We got mine.
He's got his.
Okay. Do you have
I'm on my way to church right now.
Okay. Thanks, man.
Yep.
Do you actually have a DL?
What do you mean? I don't need a driver's license in America, actually. Just to be honest with you, I don't. I've already won this in court.
Fantastic.
Yeah, I was definitely wearing my seatbelt. We'll have to subpoena those videos.
What's your first name, ma'am? Ma'am, what's your first name?
What?
Your first name?
But I'm trying to figure out what crime I committed for you to ask me that.
Alright guys, now watch how quickly things escalate. The trooper signals the rider, giving him that one fair chance to stop, but instead of slowing down, the bike punches forward like this is his big audition for a chase montage. You can tell the trooper already knows what's coming, because he instantly tightens his pursuit line. The road opens, the rider accelerates, and that calm routine patrol suddenly turns into a calculated hunt. It's the kind of decision that defines the next several moments, either smart compliance or pure chaos, and the rider has clearly chosen chaos.
Your seatbelt, ma'am.
That's not a crime.
It's a traffic violation, ma'am.
It's actually a civil infraction.
Which I can pull you over for, yes.
No, I was wearing my seatbelt though. We're having a dispute here. I was wearing it, and you're saying
we're having a dispute here. So here,
you can't tell me I was not wearing it.
Can you settle down for a second here? Here's how it's going to play out. I'm going to verify everything, and I'm just going to cut you a traffic warning and be on my merry way. That was my whole plan. Just to be honest with you, not to get into a long, drawn-out argument about whatever. I'm just going to verify that you have a license or whatever that says you can drive in the state of the United States. Once that's clean and valid, I'm out of here. That is my plan. All right. What's your first name, Mama?
It's Dixie.
Dixie. Miss Dixie. Okay. And your birthday?
It's in August.
August what?
22nd.
22nd?
Wow, I cannot wait to tell my professor this.
Okay. And the year?
We have to do all this over traffic?
Yeah, because I don't have her DL or...
Alright guys, pay attention here because this is where the chase really takes shape. The rider weaves between cars like he's threading a needle at freeway speed, pushing his luck with every lane change. The trooper stays locked in, steady but relentless, refusing to give the rider space to disappear. Every second, the risk climbs. One wrong move and someone becomes a statistic. But the rider keeps doubling down, thinking speed equals safety. The trooper, meanwhile, proves that strategy beats recklessness every single time.
You need an identification, though. Right.
I don't have to have
to verify your identity. Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Okay, whatever you say, but I need. What's your date of birth?
Oh, 82.
82. Okay.
282. Here's my passport.
Oh, perfect.
26. I was looking for my passport ID, but I only have my passport.
All right, thank you, Miss Dixie.
You're welcome.
Also, by any chance, do you have the registration?
This is my husband's truck.
Okay. Do you have the registration or anything that has a VIN on it?
We
no
do
worries.
things different.
I've never been pulled over before.
Okay.
Honestly.
Yeah, and I had my seatbelt on.
Okay, hang on. So all she has is her passport.
Well, the truck's not registered, so...
It's not even registered? I can't even get anything back on the tag.
There's nothing for it. It's not registered.
Great. Okay.
51.
Here's where we're at.
Step out over here real quick.
Found you. You don't have your license suspended. Out of
mine?
Yeah. Can't find you, and we can't even find the truck. It's not even registered. So I'm gonna run the VIN real quick. Yeah. I mean, we have access. We have access from.
Away.
We have access in the database of all the states. But I'm gonna run the VIN and see what we get. That's where we're at. Hello.
What's going on?
How's it going?
This guy said he's gonna give us fucking warnings when we get to church.
Alright guys, this stretch shows just how desperate the rider has become. Instead of backing off, he leans harder into dangerous cuts, squeezing past bumpers with inches to spare. The trooper keeps calculated pressure, never overcommitting, never giving the rider an opening to vanish. It's a textbook balance of pursuit, aggression, and control. You can almost sense the rider's growing panic as he realizes he can outrun the car but not the consequences. Every twist of the throttle is digging him deeper.
Yeah, unfortunately, whatever identification you guys are providing is not coming back. I don't know if he told you that.
He
It's
said,
a federal
"You
ID."
can't find me, it's a federal ID.
I understand that, but you guys need to have at least a state
I'm
ID.
actually in Homeland Security School. I'm like going for my bachelor's
kidding me?
associates. That's not true.
What are you talking about?
I understand that, but you are required to have a driver's license.
No, you're not.
Okay.
That's
all right.
Title 18, Section 31, brother. I know what the words
He's a
are.
lawyer.
Okay.
That's why we got a passport. It actually says on there to not detain.
And I've been pulled over
If I'm correct,
a
it
few
says not
different
detain.
times and never have a problem. It's always freaking Florida.
Miss Dixie.
I want to talk to you about the problem.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not finding it at all.
Well, I don't know what to tell you. They're on a paper system.
Okay.
And what is this guy talking about? A passport isn't an identification.
His formal identification is not a form for a license to operate a motor vehicle.
Yeah, but we're not a resident of the state of Florida.
You still have to have a license to operate a vehicle in the state of Florida.
Okay.
Go ahead,
Okay.
Eustace.
I actually am getting my bachelor's associates in Homeland Security.
Alright guys, here's where things take a sharp turn. The rider attempts a high-speed merge that looks more like a gamble than a maneuver. The trooper anticipates it perfectly, adjusting his angle and keeping the chase tight without pushing into reckless territory. The roadway starts working against the rider, traffic thickens and escape paths shrink. You can feel his confidence slipping as he's forced into tighter choices. This is the moment the advantage shifts toward the trooper, and it's not by speed, but pure discipline.
Ask me though, because that's a discriminating comment. You just asked me if I was a sovereign citizen. Everybody is a sovereign. Why? I would like the OIC. Cody, why are you arresting me? Good, arrest me. I hope you arrest me. Call Kathy right now, get my attorneys on the phone. Oh, touch me. Okay. Okay.
All right, man.
Okay.
Get up.
Okay.
Charge resisting now.
Okay. I'm not resisting anything. You just pulled me
Step
backwards.
inside. Watch your head.
Alright guys, now watch this sequence carefully. The rider tries to stretch his lead by darting toward the shoulder, but the uneven surface instantly kills his rhythm. The trooper notices the instability and maintains firm pressure, knowing the rider can't sustain that line. It's a smart pursuit move, let the suspect trap himself. Every second on that shoulder adds risk, and you can see the rider's movements get shaky. He wanted space, but all he found was a problem he created.
It is the law. You cannot handcuff me behind my back.
Thanks, guys.
Why are you guys doing this?
All right.
You cannot.
My guys are not being aggressive. Your wife is taking things up a notch, unfortunately.
I get that.
But and this is where we're coming from. She doesn't have a driver's license. Okay.
But she's
There's
not driving.
No, she was
insinuating
she
that.
was driving. That's what I'm saying. I saw her
I'm
drive.
telling you, we're not driving. We're traveling.
Okay, you're traveling, whatever you want to call it, but she does not have a valid
What do you mean?
driver's license.
Feet in now.
Are being
So
calm.
here's the
All right,
deal.
put your
Now
feet
you're
in.
charged resisting.
What?
You're being charged resisting as well. I'm not putting up
I
the bullshit.
didn't resist. I was backwards. How
Put
can
your
I
left-
resist?
Put your left foot in. Not lawfully obeying to command.
Two? What is the first command?
I told you to go to the car
Why would you
Walk
put
over
me
here.
and detain me?
because you're being
Put
arrested.
your left foot
But
in
for
now.
what?
I already explained to you. Operating a motor vehicle in the state of Florida without a flaw.
That is not your. That is
Okay.
not a vehicle.
Watch your knee. That'll be for your-
My passport says
Foot
do
in
not
the side.
detain.
Alright guys, here's where you see the rider finally running out of options. Traffic boxes him in, forcing him to abandon speed and rely on quick reactions instead. The trooper closes that gap with surgical precision, never rushing, never hesitating. You can feel the chase tightening like a noose. The rider looks over his shoulder, always a sign of doubt, and you know instinctively that the end is near. The trooper stays calm, reading the situation with absolute control.
Cody, let me ask you, I'm gonna be honest with you, man.
Yeah.
Okay, let me ask you a question, okay? Are you guys like sovereign citizens?
No, of course not.
Okay.
We're just Americans that stand up for, our rights.
Okay, and I'm totally fine with that. I respect that, by all means. It's okay. I don't mean to like insult you by asking that question. Okay. But the certain language that was being used, it kind of had me like a little concerned. Okay. You guys are traveling, but you guys gotta have a driver's license. You can have a passport and stuff for ID purposes.
In Florida. Yeah, it is for ID purposes.
For ID purposes, but for driving a motorized vehicle in the States, you need a driver's license.
You do not need a driver's license to travel.
Yes, you do.
All right, ma'am. I have a female officer pat you down, make sure you don't have anything.
Okay, this is an
illegal on
abuse
your
of
person.
power, and
It's not
I
an
will
abuse
be.
of power,
It's okay. Let her pat
it's
me
our
down.
policy.
Let her pat me down. You can go ahead and pat me down,
Right
ma'am.
over here. There you go.
I have the right to remain silent,
yes.
and that's what I choose to do so from now on. You will not get my fingerprints. You will not get anything from me.
Do you have anything on you, guns, drugs?
No, I don't have anything on me. Anything.
Okay.
Anything.
I'm just gonna pat you down real
Go
quick.
ahead.
Do you have anything in your bra?
I don't have anything in my bra but
just
my
making
boobies. Oh my God, I cannot wait to file a lawsuit against the youth.
Alright guys, this part shows a masterclass in timing. The trooper waits for the perfect moment. No rushing, no unnecessary risk, just watching the rider corner himself. The bike hesitates near slow traffic, and that fraction of a second is all the trooper needs to close in. It's the difference between emotion and training. The rider thought speed was his shield, but now he's trapped by his own decisions. You can see the chase energy shift completely in favor of law enforcement.
Do not go to jail for traveling through the state of Florida.
You need a driver's license.
No, you do not. No, I've already won that with section and case law. God damn it, I'm in Homeland Security school. Are you guys kidding me? I could be your boss in another 3 years. It's in the middle of teaching me that this craft is crap.
Okay.
Cody, call Kathy. Tell her to get here now. My children are with somebody else, you stupid idiot.
Watch your head.
I can't even believe you guys.
Watch your knee.
Bye, have a great time.
What'd she do?
So they're trying to walk her to the car, and she's yelling and screaming, and purposely tripped herself down on the ground to make it look like we were being physical.
Sovereign citizen?
Yeah, the terms that they're using.
Traveling.
I don't contract with the government. We don't need a driver's license. We have our passports. You guys are like on your high horse, like authority type. The language is all there.
Yeah, I noticed that. It's Sunday. People are supposed to be happy.
Not her.
She's far from happy right now.
I need you to take her to the PD.
She's in my car right now.
Oh, she is?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
I mean, what?
Trade places then. Now, if you want to have the
I'm
truck,
gonna
if you
have
want the
it
truck
to the
moved
church,
to the
right?
church, you can do that with the tow truck company. Okay.
Do what? Yeah, I'm gonna call the tow truck company, but I still don't want them to remove my plate. That's my metal, man. Come on.
Alright guys, the tension peaks here. The rider, realizing he's done, tries one last unsteady maneuver, but it lacks all the confidence he had earlier. The trooper advances decisively, keeping control of the scene and neutralizing the threat of another sudden burst of speed. It's clear the rider's adrenaline has run dry while the trooper's focus hasn't budged an inch. You can feel the chase dissolving into the inevitable end. Every movement signals that it's over.
I have to.
What do you mean?
It's not assigned to the truck. You have to have the tag and the vehicle registered together.
Show me.
Okay? If it's not registered, okay, you
Can you
cannot
show
be
me
driving
that?
this car.
Can you show? I'm not driving.
I'll have
This
one of
is
my
what I
officers
keep on
show you the
saying.
statute. Okay?
You can show me the statute, but I've already won this. If you look up my wife's name in the state of Florida, like 2 years ago, bro, we just went through this.
Okay.
In West Palm Beach, look it up. Everything dismissed. They tried giving her like 38 tickets.
How much you guys went out of that?
I think I settled for about
25 mil?
25,000.
Thousand?
No, come on. I don't do all that. I'm not agreed.
Alright guys, and here we are at the final moment. The rider finally pulls over, cornered not by force but by the weight of his own decisions catching up. The trooper moves in with calm authority, closing a chase that the rider never should have started. It's a clean ending to a messy choice, showing exactly why discipline beats recklessness every time. And that wraps it up for today's breakdown. If you enjoyed the analysis, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.